the sun's gotta rise for you, just like the stars gotta shine for you, just like the world's gotta spin for you. I know how they feel, yeah, I feel it too. 'Cause I love you so much, I had to write about it, write about it. I'm dedicating every line. I love you so much, I had to write about it, write about it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like a tutorial, comment down below or like this video, or you can do both. And subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye! I have makeup for my